I'm wearing my hat and I'm at work. I'm in the control room and I'm giving you the view of the control room. And now I'm walking outside where it's noisy as heck. So noisy out here because of all these machines. Can you hear me? Probably not. Yeah. All right. Now I'm walking into a quieter place. Now I'm setting my iPad on the shelf. I'm grabbing my ukulele. You honestly didn't hear the ukulele. Okay, here we go. With or without you. With or without you. Okay. Don't hear the ukulele. Oh my God, that is insane. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. I have this little tiny trumpet. When this other guy said he didn't hear the trumpet, I didn't believe him. I was like, no way, you're full of crap. Okay, so now, here I am. You hear that?